Alright, so in this video we're going to disassemble the collar out of this FMI pump. So the first thing you want to do is take the wet end out. So loosen the two thumb screws. And you'll want to have this guy kind of sideways here. And we'll pull him out. Alright, now the next thing we need to do is we need to take this stainless steel plate off of the pump. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a 9/64 Allen wrench, and you will need a 11/32 socket. So for the Phillips screw on the bottom here, we have these two screws. Let's take them out. Alright, with these two out, now we need to take these socket cap screws out, and with that we'll need the 11/32 socket and the 9/64 Allen wrench. Alright, so this is kind of the important part. As you can see right here on the white portion of the wet end, we have this hole right here. And what we need to do is we need to spin this collar with our finger until this hole lines up with the hole on the collar. So let's just keep spinning here. Eventually it should come up. Oh, there it is. So now we have that hole right there. And with a 5/64 inch Allen wrench, we just plunge it in there, and we have to break it free, but once we do, give it a few spins to loosen it up, and now the collar comes right out. And if you were curious, that's where the what we're screwing and unscrewing right there, and that's how you take off the collar on an FMI pump. To reassemble, it's just do everything back in reverse, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.